We are here to share a true story about how God's Spirit completely changed our lives.
We all come from different backgrounds and have different experience. But one thing is the same, God's power transforms us.
Listen closely, because this isn't just a story from the past. It's a message for your life today. I was just a fisherman. My life was simple, just nets, boats, and the sea. Then Jesus said, "Follow me." I did, but I was weak. I even denied him 3 times. My heart was broken and I felt like a total failure. But on the day of Pentecost, God's Spirit came down like a fire. I wasn't afraid anymore. I spoke out loudly and thousands of people believed.
So, God's Spirit turns your fear into courage.
That's right. God's Spirit gave me a strength I never had before. My name used to be Saul. I hate Christians. I chased them, called them, and destroyed them. I thought I was serving God, but my heart was blind. On the road to Damascus, a light from heaven shone on me. I fell to the ground. I heard a voice. "Saul, Saul, why are you persecuting me?" It was Jesus. I was blind for 3 days. Then a disciple prayed for me. My eyes were open. Not just my physical eye, but my spiritual eyes too. God's Spirit filled me. I became Paul, a servant of Christ. From a musical church to a preacher, that's miracle. Yes, God's Spirit completely changed the direction of my life.
I was once broken. People judged me, whispered about me, and called me unworthy. My life was overtaken by darkness. But Jesus saw me differently. He healed me, drove out evil spirit, and gave me hope. I was there when he died. I was there when he rose again. And I was the first person to see him alive.
Your story shows that God's Spirit lifts up those who are humble.
That's right. God's Spirit gave me dignity and a new purpose.
We are used to be just, ordinary, weak, and even sinful. But God's Spirit changed us. Fear turned into courage, hate into love, and shame into dignity.
And that same Spirit can change your life too.
God's Spirit changes lives. The moral message of this story are: no life is too broken to be changed by God's Spirit. Failure can be the start of courage. Hate can turn into love.
Shame can be lifted up into dignity.
And everyone, no matter their past, is precious in God's eyes.